On Wednesday, President Donald Trump imposed a 50% tariff on Indian imports, the highest rate for any country so far. This move stunned experts. India was among the first to begin trade talk with Washington. Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have publicly praised each other, calling each other friends.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my friend, a friend of India, a great American president, Mr. Donald Trump.
Yet India now finds itself part of a small group of major economies without a trade deal and facing the harshest tariff rate globally. The final blow came in the form of an additional 25% tariff specifically targeting India's imports of Russian oil. This adds to an earlier 25% levy, bringing the total to 50%. Brazil is the only other country facing a similar tariff rate. Last week, Trump openly threatened to punish New Delhi for buying Russian oil and weapons. He even called both India and Russia dead economies, frustrated by stalled trade talks. But this is not just about trade. There are deeper geopolitical tensions as well. One public disagreement, the recent military clash between India and Pakistan in May. Trump claimed credit for mediating a ceasefire, but India denied his role, stating clearly that Modi and Trump never spoke during the conflict. For New Delhi, the message is clear. Washington priorities have shifted from friend-shoring to on-shoring. India is now trying to find a way forward. Trade between the United States and India is valued at over $190 billion. But these tariffs put Indian exporters at a serious disadvantage, 30 to 35% lower than rivals in Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Japan. The impact could be severe. Experts warn that a sharp drop in exports to the US could drag India's GDP growth below 6%, well below the Reserve Bank forecast of 6.5%.